Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this look. This is a makeup tutorial for New Year's Eve makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if this is your first time watching, stay, don't go, look around. I hope you like it. For my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back and supporting me. I love you guys a bunch, and I also like to wish all of you Happy New Year's and fabulous 2019 ahead for all of us. So let's get into this look so it doesn't get so long, okay? Alright guys, so I already have my brows done and my eyes primed and set. For the transition shade, I'm gonna use this Eyelure Little Veganay Brown and Shade Palette. So they have this very nice kind of orange shade up here, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade for this blue look. So let's do this. Alright, so now we have a transition shade in place. I'm gonna go in with this Kevin One electric pop palette, and I'm gonna be using, first I'm gonna use a little bit of this lighter shade over here, then we're gonna be using this blue shade over here for our look. I'm gonna get the lighter shade that I show you guys, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the So now I'm gonna go in with the blue. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with the same transition shade. I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit so I don't have any harsh lines. So I have the brush, and I'm just going to use a little bit of the transition eyeshadow. Just shadow that I put in right now. This same shadow here. guys a little bit back, and we're gonna start to work on our face, out of my face, so it's not distracting us. So now for the face, for foundation, I'm gonna use the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream Foundation. And I'm gonna use this foundation since this is a New Year's Eve look, so you're gonna use for long hours. So if you have a long lash foundation and a full coverage, so you look a little bit more polished, this one's way to go. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to my hand. I'm just gonna add a couple of drops of this Caviar Up One beauty oil to the foundation, because since it's a full coverage foundation, is a little thick, so this is gonna make a little smoother to work with. So just add here and just mix the foundation oil together. And when I'm doing this, I'm also warming up the foundation so it goes on the skin smoother. Matches. This foundation is so beautiful. Do you guys see how flowerless look when you add a little bit of that beauty oil? So foundation is done. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer. I'm just gonna set everything in place, and for set this, I'm gonna use this Prince Delivery setting powder from Givenchy. Love this powder because it's so thin. It's just weightless, sets everything in place. I think looking neat. This Caviar Up One sculpting powder. It's like a matte contour, so you're gonna keep looking like orange or nothing. Normally I don't like to contour my nose, but today I'm gonna do a little bit. Just gonna get this fluffy blending brush. It's a Laura Garner blush because I like this shade. It's just so pretty. I'm gonna use this NYX tutorial highlighter from Ultra Cosmetics. I love it so much, it's so beautiful. And I'm gonna use the medium shade here. They have a lighter, medium, and a darker one. Go in and put my eyeliner and glue my lashes, and I'll be right back with you guys, because if I do this on the camera it's gonna take forever. Alright guys, so I went in and did my eyeliner, laid some falsies in it. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of lipstick because I just had like a little lip gloss. And for this look, I'm feeling like a nude color. And that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy this New Year's Eve inspired look. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see that. And that's all. I hope you guys have a fabulous New Year's Eve. I see you guys in 2019. If you guys have any questions, please drop in the comments below. Okay? See you later. Love you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, stay, don't go.